Hey there, Scott Ewart here from scottcanhelp.com, and I am going to show you today about Aweber. And Aweber is just a way that you can create a list that you will use on your blog to collect information about your subscribers. So primarily the name and email, and then a web form is the mechanism that you use to do that. You create the web form inside of Aweber, and then you add some code to your blog so that you get the name and the email showing up on the side of your blog. So that's what we're going to do today. So the first step is to go over to Aweber. So I'm logged into Aweber. If you don't have Aweber, you can sign up. It's $1 for the first month, and then it's $19 a month after that to continue your subscription. And your lists here are where you're going to get started. So first, we're just going to click on My List, and it's going to come over here, and it's going to give me a list of my list, but I'm going to just create a new list here. And the first thing is to give it a name. So we're going to do a name of, try that. It'll tell you if the name's available right away or not. You just can give it a description if you like, put your name and the email address that you would like them sent to, and then make sure that you click on Save Settings. The second step is to come over here to Confirmed Opt-in. And under Confirmed Opt-in, this just means that normally when somebody puts your name and email into your list, you get this email that says to confirm your subscription, and it really lowers the opt-in rate for your blog. So even though Aweber suggests it, we suggest that you click on off and turn that off by just saying yes to that answer, and then go ahead and save your settings. So once you're done with that, you'll see that the current list up here changes. If you ever want to change your list, and this is important, this is the context that you're working in. So anything that you do, messages or working on your subscribers, you want to make sure that your list is set here. So this is the list that we created, ND Demo 13. And what I'm going to do next is come over here and show you how to build a web form. So you just click on the tab for web form, and we're going to say create a new web form. And while that's loading up, this is a basic editor, and you can just come in here and you can see that you're going to just create some very basic things here about a web form. So you can choose from, there's all sorts of different templates that you can choose from. And there's popular ones that they show you, some of the more popular ones, and we're going to pick one of those, actually just do the modern forms. So you just click that, and then you can choose what color that you want. We'll change it up today, and we'll do a green one, and then you just say load template, and that's going to bring that green form over here. So you can do a couple things. You can resize it. You see it just changes there. Not really necessary for a blog, but you can do that, and it comes with a basic name and email. A lot of people question whether or not they should add a phone number. We suggest that you don't add a phone number because it lowers your opt-in rate, even if it says not required. And reach out to them through another way, through email or on Facebook or something like that. And once you establish a connection, you're a lot more likely to get a phone number. So you can edit the header here, and all we're going to say is please enter your name and email for more information. Okay, so that's pretty simple, and probably not a period on there. And then if you just select that, and then you want to center it, and then that'll center your information here. And then you can change the color, the font size, anything like that. We'll just maybe change it to black and give it a bold. Okay, and then say save. So that's what that form looks like. And then you can come over here to the button here, and you're probably going to want to center that as well. So just click over here on the center button under positions and say save, and that'll move that. Okay, a couple more things that you can do. I usually leave the respect your email privacy on, but go ahead and remove the email marketing by Aweber. And then you can edit your footer and put some words in there like I will be in contact as soon as possible. Okay, something like that. And then change it to black and bold, and you want to center it as well. Maybe go up a font size for that. Looks like it's already on 12. We'll go to 13. Okay, and then say save. All right, so that's your form, and pretty simple there, straightforward. And then you'll just click on Save Web Form. Once you do that, then the next step is to go to step 2, and you can go ahead and give this a name if you'd like, and also a couple other things. This is a thank you page, so once they enter in their name, you can go ahead and direct them to a particular page if you have that, or it'll just come into stay on current page is usually what I select. So it'll just stay on whatever page that they were on before, unless there's a specific place that you want to take them. So you go ahead and click on save, and then go to step 3, which is the publishing portion. And this is really just providing you the code for your web form. So what you'll do is say, I will install my form, unless you have somebody who does that already, and it's going to give you either JavaScript or HTML. All right, so you can just click on either one of those, and I usually grab the HTML, and if you click here and copy it with Control-C, then you're going to go back to your blog and you're going to enter it. Okay, so that's all there is to creating a list and a web form. And then in the blog portion of the training, I'm going to show you how you can add this form in. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.